Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we have a problem. In a motor car race, to complete a single lap for 3 motor car, for one of them is 2 minutes, one of them is 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and the third car is 160 seconds. So if they begin at the same starting point at the same time, after how many minutes will they be side by side again? So I hope everyone can identify this as a LCM problem, lowest common multiple problem. So the very first thing, right, I see that there is many different units here. Minutes, seconds, and seconds. So I would, for a start, do need to ensure that all are in the same units. So 2 minutes, I convert it to seconds, and that will be 120 because 1 minute has 30 seconds. 2 minutes, 30 seconds will be 150 seconds, and we already have the 160 seconds there. We are all ready to do our working to find the lowest common multiple. So I have 120, 150, 160. Going to divide by the common prime factors. And I continue to divide by 2 as long as out of the 3, there are 2 of them having that same common factor. So in this case, I saw 60 and 80 having the common factor 2. That's why you can see me continue to divide by 2 to get 30. 75 I do not touch. 40. And I continue to divide by 2 for these 2 numbers, because they still are able to be able to divide by 2. So this will be 15. 75 is still there. 40 will be divided by 2 is 20. And at this stage, there is no more common prime factor 2. I move on to the next, which will be 3. So I'm going to use a different color now. And I realize that 15 and 75 can be divided by 3. So for the next step, I will divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 75 divided by 3 will be 25. The 20 still continue. And the next prime common factor will be, I will be able to divide by 5 for all, in fact. And at this stage, I will stop because there's no more common prime factors among 1, 5, and 4. So at this point, I will stop, as there's no more common prime factor. Okay? And therefore, the final answer, after how many minutes will they be side by side again? Okay. So in this case, the LCM will be equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 1 times 5 times 4, of course. But 1 we usually don't write anymore. 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 power 3 times 3 times 5 power 2 times 4. That will give me 2,400 And that's not the answer because they will want how many minutes after that. And therefore, you can see that my final answer will be the number of minutes later when they meet again will be 240. This is in seconds. If I want to convert to minutes, I will then divide by 60 to give me 40 minutes later. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.